How to put reminder in Android home screen. In order to put the reminders, you can take the help of the Google Keep app. For that, open the Keep Notes application by Google. Compose a new note over here. Tap on the reminder icon that you can see at the top. Now you can see various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. If you want to pick a date and time yourself, tap on the option Pick a date and time. Now select the date and time over here. First select the date. Now select the time. Also select the repetition time if you want to repeat it. Tap on the option Save. Go back. The note will be saved. Now what you have to do is long press on the home screen of your Android device. Tap on the option Widgets. Scroll down. Find the section for Keep Notes. Tap on it. You can see the widgets over here. Long press on this option Single Note. Release it in the home screen. Select an account to continue. Choose the note. Tap on the note of the reminder. Wait for a while. It might take a while to load. After a while, that particular reminder will be added to your home screen. Like this, you'll be able to put reminder on Android home screen. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.